In this video, I'm going to show you how to send USDC with Cash App. USDC is a stable crypto coin that is pegged to $1. So if you send $30 USDC, they get $30. And you don't need any crypto on your Cash App to do this. You just send the money and it automatically converts it on the back end and sends them their crypto. All you need is their wallet address. So I'm just gonna do $10 for this example. And then I wanna tap pay, and you can send to a Solana wallet address or an Ethereum wallet address. So I have an address up on the screen right here. This is a Solana address. I could paste these numbers right into this field, or right next to my mouse cursor here, you'll see a little button where I can tap to scan this code. So I'm gonna do that. So I just scanned the code. It's gonna automatically fill in that field. I just wanna tap on this address right there. Send stablecoins will handle the rest. Choose the network and we'll convert your dollars USDC 1-to-1 when you send. Got it. So I'm sending from my cash balance and I tap send. Withdraw initiated, withdraw is being processed, done. So in this crypto wallet here, the USDC should show up. There it is. So very fast actually. So there you have it, how to send USDC from Cash App to any crypto wallet. No fees or anything like that. One thing to take note, tap your icon in the top right corner, scroll up, go to limits, and then tap on Bitcoin and stable coins. And down here, it's gonna show your limits per day, per week. So you can see I used a little bit already. Like and subscribe for more. I'm gonna do a video how to receive USDC on Cash App next.